sent his dignitaries to Balaam with a message. Come and put a curse upon this people for me. Perhaps with your curse, I can defeat them and drive them out of the land. The elders of Moab and the elders of Midian, versed in divination, set out. They come to Balaam and give him the message. He said to them, spend the night here, and I shall reply you as Yah may instruct me. So the Moabite dignitaries stayed with Balaam. The reason, according to our Torah, you have to be in a state of unconsciousness to receive prophecy if you are not Moses. You have to be mostly dreaming. It has to be in a dream at night, which was the case here. Elohim came to Balaam and said, what do these people want of you? Balaam said to Elohim, Balak son of Zippor, king of Moab, sent me this message. Here is a people that came out from Egypt and hides the earth from view. Come now and curse them for me. Perhaps I can engage them in battle and drive them off. But Elohim said to Balaam, do not go with them. You must not curse that people, for they are blessed. Balaam arose in the morning and said to Balak's dignitaries, go back to your own country, for Yahweh will not let me go with you. After the dream, when he was up, he addressed his visitors on the decision. Pay attention to verses 13. I repeat, when Balaam wakes up from his dream, he addresses his visitors, informing them about the decision, I'm not going to go. They leave and Balak sends another set of dignitaries. They return to Balaam, and again, he has to go into a state of unconsciousness. He has to be asleep to receive prophecy. So he tells them again, so you too, stay here overnight and let me find out what else Yahweh may say to me. That night Elohim came to Balaam and said to him, if these men have come to invite you, you may go with them. But whatever I command you, that you shall do. When he arose in the morning, Balaam saddled his donkey and departed with the Moabite dignitaries. Pause for a second. Why did he not address these dignitaries here as he did the first time, letting them know the decision from Yah? The first time, he tells them the results, but here he does not. Why is that? Because he is still dreaming. In his dream, he wakes up, and everything that is going to play from verses 20 till verses 35 is still in a dream. Balaam is dreaming, and he's seeing himself going to Balak. He is seeing what is going to happen when he gets to Balak. Notice he never interacts with the dignitaries till after they dream, and they are referred to as Balak's dignitaries and not the Moabite dignitaries as they were referred to previously. How can you explain the donkey speaking? It was in a dream. In a dream, it's possible. So the question still remains though. Who was the donkey and who was the one riding the donkey? Let's see if we can put the pieces together from here.